Wood versus aluminium window shutters. Choosing the best option for your home. Dear friends, when choosing window shutters for your home, both wood and aluminium have their advantages and limitations. The right choice depends on factors such as aesthetics, climate, maintenance, and budget. Wooden shutters are prized for their timeless beauty and natural charm. They provide excellent thermal insulation, helping maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, and can be customized with different stains and finishes to match interior decor. Additionally, sustainably sourced wood is eco-friendly. However, wooden shutters require regular maintenance, such as painting or staining, to prevent warping, cracking, or fading. They are also more susceptible to moisture, making them less suitable for humid areas, and can be more expensive in both purchase and upkeep. Aluminium shutters, on the other hand, offer durability and low maintenance. They resist warping, cracking, and fading, and can withstand diverse climates, including hot or humid conditions. Aluminium shutters are also more secure, providing a strong barrier against break-ins, and they contribute to energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer. They have a sleek, modern appearance that suits contemporary homes. The main drawbacks are the higher initial cost and the fact that some homeowners may prefer the traditional look of wood. In summary, wood shutters are ideal for those seeking a classic, natural look and are willing to maintain them, particularly in dry climates. Aluminium shutters are better for those who prefer low-maintenance, long-lasting, and secure options with a modern aesthetic. By weighing aesthetics, durability, and climate suitability, homeowners can select the shutter type that best complements their home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.